In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a quote in Xero. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Business tab. This can usually be found at the upper part of your screen. Clicking on the Business tab will bring up a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll see a list of options that allow you to manage various aspects of your business's finances. Among these options, you'll notice an item labeled Quotes. This is exactly where we need to go next. Clicking on Quotes will take you to a dedicated area for managing all your quotes, providing a centralized location for everything you need. Now, let's move on to creating a new quote. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a prominent New Quote button. Go ahead and click on it, and a form will open up, laying out everything you need to start building your quote. The interface here is designed to be intuitive, ensuring you have no trouble navigating through the process. The first critical piece of information to fill out is the customer's details. Inputting the right customer information is absolutely crucial, because you want to ensure that your quote is properly addressed and reaches the right recipient. Xero allows you to choose a customer from your existing contacts, which is really convenient if they're already saved in your system. Alternatively, you can also create a new entry if your customer is a new contact. This flexibility means you can manage both existing and new customers with ease. Once you've selected your customer, it's time to focus on the specifics of the items or services you're quoting for. Make sure to provide detailed information for each item. This includes accurate descriptions, quantities, and prices. Being detailed helps avoid any misunderstandings down the line, and overall makes your quote look more professional. Thoroughness at this step ensures your customer understands exactly what you're offering and at what price. With all these details in place, you're almost done. Before sending it off, take a moment to review your quote thoroughly. Ensure that every piece of information is accurate and that your offer is presented exactly how you intended. Once you're confident that everything is in order, it's time to send it out. Click the Send button, and a new window will appear. This provides a final chance to confirm all the details before dispatching the quote. After you hit Send, your quote will be on its way to the customer. Xero also allows you to track these transactions, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your communications are organized and timely. This not only completes the quote creation process, but also begins your engagement with the customer, bringing you one step closer to closing the deal. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create and send quotes within Xero. Remember, being meticulous with customer details and product information can save you a lot of time and hassle later down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy quoting!